Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So, I'm going to do another video on this OnGuard bike lock here. This was a bicycle U-lock that I did in just like 2 videos ago. I took the shackle off so that I can give y'all a better view. Had a couple people asking about how to pick this thing, what I was feeling when I was picking it, what to look for, what to do, things like that. So, figured I'd do a video and kind of explain how I picked this thing opened, and the theory goes for really any slider sidebar lock. But yeah, this is a pretty basic one. These OnGuards are not too difficult. I can't remember if any of them has false gates, but I can't recall any of them that do. So the pick you're going to want to use is really anything small and hooky. You could even use like a short hook or something like that. Just anything where you can get in under the sliders and twist. So if you look down there, you can see that first slider right there. And let me see if I can get some better light here. That might be better. So what you're going to want to do is basically just get underneath the slider. Focus. Let me lock that focus. Okay. So you're going to want to get underneath the slider with anything that can get under there and just be able to lift it up with a rotating motion like that. This hook would probably actually be perfect for this, but I'm going to use a slightly different pick. Use this dimple flag that I made just because I like the way it feels. So basically what you're going to do is it's like picking any other lock. You find a binder, you move it till it clicks. The only difference with sliders is if you do have false gates, or if you're not sure you're in the right place, you're going to do something called the jiggle test. Now, let's see if I can get some of these set real quick so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I don't know how well you can see that slider, but I set that one right there. Now basically what I'm going to do is put my pick under and give it a little bit of a push and just see if it has a little bit of movement. If it doesn't want to move, then it's either still binding or it's in a false gate. And if it does move a little, then that is going to mean that we're most likely in our true gate. And that's going to mean that we're either in our true gate or we're in a false gate and we're going to need to come back to it. So basically, all we're going to do here is just go through, grab every one of those sliders, push them up to wherever we can get them where they click, and then just keep going back through and seeing if they have that little bit of movement. If they don't, we're going to move them. If they do, we're going to leave them alone. And all those feel like they're moving. Probably got 1 or 2 left over here. Sometimes you will overset these things. At that point, just let up a little tension until you hear a click, and then start over. So I just got a bit of movement, which means that one of the sidebars is set. So I should just be working on the other side now. Oh, when I say movement, I meant core rotation. So I'm just trying to work my way under each one of those sliders. A little bit more core movement there. There we go. So that's it. Hope that answered some of your questions. If you have any more questions, let me know. Yeah, that'll do it. So, all right. Thanks a lot, all. Hope that helped you out. Take care. See you on the next one.